Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key and volume up at the same time like this. Hold it for a few seconds, and after that you will enter boot mode. And that's how you enter boot mode. Here at the boot mode, use volume up to navigate through the menu and volume down to select options. Here you have such options as recovery mode, fast boot mode and normal boot. If you want to exit this mode, just select an option normal boot and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.